African boy with an African style. African boy with an African mind. African boy with an African style. African boy with an African mind. I'm an African boy with an African style. African boy with an African mind. African boy with an African style. African boy with an African shining. Greetings, my beautiful people. Greetings wherever you are in this beautiful world, in this beautiful life that we're living. Greetings to you and special greetings to my 200 subscribers. For that, let's celebrate for 200 subscribers. Thanks be to the Most High, my God. Thanks to Tatan Zambe. Thanks to Mungu wetu. Thanks to God for everything. And if this is your first time to stumble on this channel, please stop what you're doing and subscribe to Sengo's Kitchen. Today, I have something special to cook for you guys, or to teach you guys, or to learn with you guys. I am today going to make my favorite beans of all the time. Black beans. Yeah. I really love the flavor. It's full of flavor. Yes, so I'm gonna show you guys how to make the best black beans in town from Sengo's Kitchen. Black beans is very hard. It's not like all the other beans. It doesn't take so long to cook. This one actually takes so long to cook. You have to boil it for hours, for a couple hours, actually, for it to be soft and ready. So what we're gonna do, wash the beans, put it on a pot, boil it for a couple hours, and then we're gonna add the ingredient and everything that goes with it. We're gonna eat with what we call sweet potatoes. These are sweet potatoes. I don't know where you're from if you have sweet potatoes. I love sweet potatoes. And the beans, bro, yo, with the beans, this is, let's get the game started. There goes the beans. We're gonna boil it for about 45 to an hour. Then we're gonna add the onions, the celery, the green pepper, and everything that has to go in there. And then put the oil, cooking oil, and then cover it again, put some more water, and let it boil for about an hour again. And then it shall be ready. Stay tuned. Sengo's Kitchen. We here, baby. Move. Some fillet. Tilapia, fish fillet, pan fried real quick, and eat it together with black beans and the sweet potatoes. Welcome. Now, we're gonna chop some red onions, celery, green pepper, and some garlic, and we're gonna add it in the black beans. Let's do this. get the fish in. Yes, sir. Sweet potatoes are ready, the fish is ready, and the black beans is ready. Are you ready? Let's eat. Here you go. You got the sweet potatoes, the black beans, yes, and the fish fillet, tilapia fish fillet. Try the beans. Nice and soft. Let's try the fish. One thing I like about pan-frying the fish, it doesn't get too dry. It's still juicy. Ladies and gentlemen, that's a hit. Now, let's eat. Oh yes! Ladies and gentlemen, my bibi na mabwana. Thank you for watching Sengo's Kitchen. You should try it, okay? Simple, nice and simple. Please subscribe if you haven't, comment, and make sure you like it. This is Sengo's Kitchen. It's your boy Masema Sengo, all the way from Los Angeles. I'm out. See you next time. See you the next episode. Bye.